Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I'm showing you how to remove a graphics card. And that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So watch closely when I show you the steps. I've already removed this bracket which supports the graphics card, and now I'm going to remove this metal piece, which also could be a clip or something like that. And yeah, then I'll show you the next step. So now with that metal piece removed, we need to get the graphics card out. And how we do that is that we first disconnect the power cable, then we find this plastic piece right here, then we push it, and then we take it up, and then your graphics card is out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next vid. Bye.